On the 8th floor. Nope, who would have known? You knew? I didn't know.
Take my suitcase.
Let's go, yeah? So we're in the elevator and your mother is waiting for the next ride because that is also Romania small elevators.
The next one.
It's a cliche that you would not expect, but it's there. We have not found like an apartment. Well, watch out, dude. So we have our second Airbnb here. Anyway, welcome inside, guys. Your mother.
The apartment gets bigger and bigger.
Yeah, well, that's actually bigger than the last one. That's true. Although, it's a very different apartment.
The first one was the smallest and this the...
That's true. But the first one, well, this is our third apartment here in Bucharest. That is true. I was only thinking about the last one and this one. Yeah. Let me show you around. Let's see. There is a. This is how you go in. Right? Come in. Right. There's a door. And there is. What is there? There is some chewing gum, and some stuff and some change. And there is a mouse. The cat has a mouse, right? Anyway, and then Romania is very religious, actually. So this is Mother Mary and Jesus, I suppose. Oh, hello. See, and you have the cactus here, and another cactus here, and it's very nice here. Very nice. And a little kitchen here. Oh, we got apples. That is actually quite considerate. I like it. I like the apartment.
My letter is made of real plastic gold.
Okay, but where'd you get the metal from?
Take it from...
Anyway, so I show my friends the apartment, because I don't know, I wanted to show you our permanent apartment. I will be staying here for a while, right? And so it would actually I'd like to have a real apartment, not an Airbnb. I mean, of course, Airbnb is a real apartment, of course, much more expensive. Anyway, let's show around. Actually, I have not seen this. I am walking in here as we speak, and they have a big fridge with mayonnaise or whatever that's got. No, this is garlic sauce, ketchup, and mayonnaise. Not bad, huh? Giving us apples and mayonnaise, And pizza? Is there actual pizza in there? Oh, and pizza prosciutto. That's cute. That is, dude, cutest Airbnb ever. Anyway, here and we have gold spoons, right? Anyway, cutlery, golden, and then there's golden thingy for, and then there's a coffee machine with coffee. Not so bad. There's some water, some microwave, which we never would use because it turns everything into toxins. But anyway, so another cactus, and then there's what's that? Oh, there's nothing in there. Sugar, some salt, some cups, and some Dylan. Hello, yeah. Well, a nice stove, like always in Romania. Of course, that is what you miss in Asia. Like you don't have oven, don't have stoves, not like this, just like different, And there's a sandwich maker. Oh, cool! I like this. There is a toaster, like a fancy ass toaster. Not too bad. And there's nothing. What do you have here? Oh, beer glasses, wine glasses, cognac glasses, brandy glasses. Lots of them. So we're gonna have to drink something, right? Some plates, some bowls. Some little bowls, like for our Asian lifestyle, perfect, right? And then there is nothing. Well, that's okay. We've got plenty. Well, that's good. There's some more. Oh, that's cool. Well, we got some different some pans, and is this a rice cooker? No, that's just a pot. Some popcorn. So guys, if you want popcorn, we got this popcorn thingy.
I'm changing the limbo.
Okay, wait, but maybe not doing it now because I'm showing my friends here. Anyway, window. The window. Zach, this is a nice apartment. I mean, the houses here are high, but the area is not so depressing. I mean, it depends really on in Bucharest. Depends where you're staying. It is true. The bread basket thing. Well, we got 2 chairs. Well, we'll have to see about that. Not very much. Anyway, well, and then there's the Wi-Fi password there. Oh, there's some Raffaellos. Pretty cool. There's pizza in there. There's pizza in the in the fridge. Hey, what do you have there? Yeah, but hey, come on, do not. I want to show the apartment, which is this. This brings us to the living room, and there's a sofa. I'll be sleeping on that one. That looks like a good one. I should be taking off my shoes. It's been years in Asia. Yeah, it's nice. We have these chairs here. It's cool. And here's smart TV. Well, look, Sri Lanka. We got a Sri Lanka boat. You see the Sri Lanka boat? And I wonder if they have been to Sri Lanka. We've been to Sri Lanka, of course. And we got an elephant, which also points towards Sri Lanka or India. You know, the whole thing is a little bit Asian. That's cool. And there is a picture of a girl. I'm not sure if this is just a picture or if this is actually someone's girl. I'm not sure. Anyway, it's good. I like it.
Okay, that's everything I have.
Is that a good apartment, Vincent?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. Anyway, heater, and you have these are like only in Romania. Balconies that are actually closed. Well, this is not so bad. Oh, we even got weights. They really are.
Should I take them?
Like reading our minds. Karina, we got weights.
We also what is Indian? What is?
There's weights, and there's even more weights.
India.
And there's an ashtray. That is a considerate Airbnb host, I must say. Shout out. Okay, cool. This is Australian. Anyway, see, this is actually quite cool. I could see myself living here, but of course, it's you don't get to these apartments so quickly. This is broken, but it's okay. It's not criticizing. Well, dude, English, India, I'm not sure. Anyway, nice carpet, right? Let's go to the other rooms. Or how about the kitchen? Not the kitchen, the bathroom. Oh well. And there is the bathtub, which is, this is cool. I can see myself already. I like it. Shower, yeah, of course. Mirror, toilet, and then no bomb gun. Like I have not seen anywhere in Romania, which is a bummer, literally. Anyway, some toilet paper and whatever the other what I don't know. Some hair dryer, some alcohol sanitar. Wow, what a lady! Hello, lady. Anyway, some towels. The same baby. Did we see that in the other room? Anyway, and then there's the bedroom.
Looks like a little present, but that's
Probably
to hold the door open.
Why is it on the
This one?
Oh, that's on the floor.
Why is it on the
Okay.
Why is it on the floor?
Well, anyway, listen. I'm trying to show the bedroom. It's okay. It's a well small-ish bed, but it's okay. It's queen size, like. And then what is that? The wrestling. And then I think these are not real people. These are just paintings, pictures. And there's a monkey, which also kind of like. There's extra clothes and a pillow. This is some more blankets and yeah, this is cool. Yeah, I like it. More extra pillows and all, and extra clothing. Okay. Anyway, so what do we have here? We have some paper. Some paper. We have paper, but normally we would appreciate that. So here's another TV, a lamp. Well, not a problem. I can be staying here for a while until we find something else, right? Yeah, let's not drop that camera. Well, that is very Soviet here. I mean, this apartment does not have any Soviet feeling, you know. like the other one I showed you, a lot more. The area as well, but it seems a lot more modern. Although these buildings are quite old. Although this one, the one we were actually in, is not so old. Oh, the one next door. I mean, yeah, not so bad. I mean, yeah, I can stay here a while. Definitely. Anyway, guys, I wanted to show you. You know, when we moved, I wanted to show you the new apartment. There's a washing machine. I almost forgot. Do you see the washing machine?
Yes.
What if I go?
All right, and there's all kinds of products and an iron which we'll never use, and more toilet paper because they don't have a bum gun. Anyway, guys. Hey, guys. Do you want to say goodbye to my friends?
Bye.
Let's try to.
Bye.
Let's try to all do it. Hey, Vincent. Look. That is where you say goodbye. Bye.
Bye. Okay, I'm gonna look at it.
Ah, yeah. All right. See you later. See you in my next video. Bye.